What's up everyone, welcome back to Valvetronic Designs, and today we have a very special video. We have the W204 C63 AMG in the shop, owned by our good friend Abos. Today we threw on our full catback valved exhaust system with the resonated H-pipe, and it has our valved mufflers at the rear. You guys will see a video of it right now. In the gold finish, it looks absolutely amazing. So throughout this video, we're gonna show you guys all of the sound characteristics. We're gonna do startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations, interior clips, and we're gonna even put a GoPro on the rear bumper just to show you guys exactly what your W204 is gonna sound like with this exhaust system. Let's get to the sound. Alrighty, so the exhaust is on. We got Mr. Abos with us here, and we're about to do the first startup and get his reaction.
Actually, can't wait to see this. That actually sounds insane. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm trying to be quiet, but it sounds insane. But it sounds insane. So launch control on this car is useless. It just spins. This is insane. That difference was crazy.
Is it open right now?
Yes. So this is like if I would drive open in comfort.
It's not even bad.
It sounds beautiful. We'll do a little pull because it's still wet.
Oh. Bro. Oh, it's clean.
Bro, I actually, it's like night and day different. It was so quiet. It was I thought it was so nice. Jesus.
Oh yeah, you hear the burrows there too?
Yeah. Oh. That's what I mean, the car doesn't go straight.
Oh yeah, the down.
Oh my god.
Nah, bro, this is nasty.
This downshifter.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Damn, bro.
Sounds good.
Wow.
It's not like too raspy either. You know?
So deep.
downshifts are fire. You need a downshift to like 5 or 6. See how that sounds.
Weapon right now. It actually handles really good too.
Downshift?
This car is fucked now. It's so loud. I feel like I'm going like 200 every time I hit the gas. Dude, you get like action. It feels like a different car. Just how loud it is.
It sounds, bro. It sounds really good.
You can't tell me the S65 sounds better.
This is just like really deep.
Yeah, it's really freaking deep. It's actually crazy. You did not get that. I didn't even like.
Really?
So the upshifts you never got it that snappy, but the downshifts you had it only a few years.
Yeah, I think it's like above 4,000. You get that like
Like
at
this.
like
The car wants to like literally throw you off the road every time you hit it. I don't know. This thing is insane.
oh my god, dude. That's madness.
We've been driving it nonstop, and this thing is insane, bro. This thing sounds unbelievable. I love it. It literally made the car like alive.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We really do appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that badass sound from that C63 with that 6.3 liter V8. Sounds absolutely incredible. If you guys are interested in getting this exhaust system for yourself, right now we're running a 20% off Black Friday sale. So it's gonna knock hundreds of dollars off your order. So right now would be the time to buy, November 25th to December 2nd. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to go on valvetronic.com. You can use our chat bot or even give us a call, and our customer service team will be happy to set you up with one of these exhaust systems. Thanks for watching.